are first up talking of the Prime Minister and his sharp and direct attack at an ecosystem. Now, you will recall just about days ago, we had seen images of the Prime Minister on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi at the CJI D.Y. Chandrachud's residence, offering his prayers and participating in the Ganesh Puja. There was a lot of furor over that. Political parties raised questions on the separation of powers, and the BJP then said that this is the same ecosystem that has a problem with the Prime Minister performing the Ganesh Puja. And then they also cited that the same group had no problem, the same secular group had no problem when you also had the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and the CJI together at an iftar party. Clearly, we had not seen answers to that. But today, for the very first time, the Prime Minister has opened up on that entire issue. He opens up and he says that I feel bad that people in the country and certain political parties who are hungry for power are still trying to have a problem with the Ganesh Puja. He's also hinted at what's happened in Karnataka, where during Ganesh Visarjan there was, a lot of fracas, because of which the idol of Ganeshji had to be actually transported in a police van with cage. The Prime Minister's take on both those two issues.
भाई और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा, कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
And the BJP has also responded to that remark of the Prime Minister, and they say it's only unbecoming of the entire opposition. The charge is that the opposition is anti-Hindu, and they cannot digest the fact that the Prime Minister wears, his faith, his belief on his sleeves, and they have a problem with the Ganesh Puja. Listen in to how the BJP responded to that entire episode.
वोट बैंक के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी किस प्रकार का हिंदू विरोधी चेहरा अपना सकती है, इसका एक और परिचायक तब मिला जब उसके पूरे इकोसिस्टम ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया जाकर गणेश पूजा करने का विरोध किया। विरोध प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया से मिलने का नहीं था, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी वो कई बार मिले हैं। जब प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह अपने घर पे इफ्तार पार्टी रखते थे और उसमें चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया आते थे, तब वो सेकुलर माना जाता था। पर आज जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के घर पे गणेश पूजा के लिए गए तो गणेश पूजा का विरोध किया गया और उद्धव सेना से लेकर कांग्रेस के इकोसिस्टम ने किया।
And the Samajwadi Party has also responded to that big charge, and the SP says our problem is not with the Ganesh Puja. It is about the fact that you have the Prime Minister visiting the CJI at his residence and no one else was also invited at that event. And the charge they are also making, it's the BJP that is wanting to politicize what happened.
प्रधानमंत्री जी अपने पीएमओ में देश के सारे त्योहार मनाएं, गणेशा जी की पूर्ति का आयोजन करें, वहां पे वो दिवाली मनाएं, गुरु पर्व मनाएं, पूरे देश के लिए अच्छी बात है। लेकिन दो पावर हमारी जो डेमोक्रेसी के हैं, आप सीधे चीफ जस्टिस साहब के घर पे चले जा रहे हैं, ये चीजें अशोभनीय हैं।